Are you still saying very good? Native speakers almost never do. Let me show you 10 stronger words. Very good, excellent. Very bad, awful. Very big, huge. Very small, tiny. Very hot, boiling. Very cold, freezing. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very tired, exhausted. Very smart, brilliant. Very fast, rapid. Stop saying very. Try these words today. Which one will you use first? Comment below. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to GlassLingo for more quick English tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a short lesson.